Yes, in Pang Ayadeng Mamberema. That's right. One of your crap him because I am there. Hey, come on. This is Cassami and Son there. Oh, you crap him because I know you fancy. Oh, just say, and Son and Akaba. Sanating Fufuo Wo Krom is sponsored by Help Afrique from Gihok Distilleries, Daro Natural Mineral Water, and Abiba Thai Jasmine Rice.
Aha ne bosso, Fufuo Wo Krom. 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 Ne bosso, aha ne bosso. Wadding, ne bosso. What up? Mumbeti, moi c'est y'a des pays na des bébés. Y'a pas un pampa, y'a gentil mood de no. M'fame y'a pense na dog in the one piece no. M'fi said Fufuo Wo Krom. Aha ne bosso, 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 Yema wa ponche krakra, emu de papa.
That's right. Welcome to yet another edition of your favorite TV food show, Fufuo Wo Krom. Now I just saw a bosso, and your baby PM Oboadaka, all the way from Accra. A full pony at Trebri, about the PM Oboadaka. Then I bring you to a very beautiful place and a very beautiful town. Fufuo na Jidimpa. You see a stomach clinic, and you are checking what is inside the wagon. Our stomach clinic in here. I'm stomach clinic at our Ghanaian area. I don't think you're going inside. You're going to check it. Stomach clinic. You're going to hear what is inside the wagon. Aha.
Start your day with a taste that brings everyone together. Abiba Thai Jasmine Rice, perfect for every moment.
Taste of togetherness. Abiba Thai Jasmine Rice.
Mom and Dad, this rice
smells like celebration.
Abiba Thai Jasmine Rice.
Hey, Daddy!
Ladies, gentlemen, enjoy Abiba Thai Jasmine Rice.
Mr. Pia, what dice in Kappa the Shinkafan?
Abiba Thai Jasmine Sawar. Bow, what me die?
Whether it's a family dinner, a business meeting,
Abiba Jasmine Thai Rice,
or a celebration, Abiba Jasmine Rice elevates every meal. Abiba Jasmine Rice, a taste of togetherness. This advert is FDA approved.
In case you want us, Fufuo Wo Krom, to come and promote your chop bar or your eatery for you, all you need to do is to call us on our telephone number 055-83-11146. IBK the Food Marshal. We will be there with the team and promote your place for you. Fufuo Wo Krom, aha, and a bottle. But you can't catch us, your baby PM, our stomach clinic Oboadaka. Now, a fufu choba, I didn't be. But you can't swear to Fufu, and Banny Fufu, I am that just truly, I became the food marshal. This is my scepter. This scepter is internationally recognized and what you say globally acclaimed. You and Kra Ajiatum say, men are a country, and I'm a country, say, and here PM. You better check what is inside Oboadaka. Yeah, stomach clinic. Ajidi febebre. Amount for fiaman on ibedi bi tuka fikumasi kofodia temanomi ade. They all say the rancher come for we John one so much quite chobuti. But one point to show no panta nyina. They ready come on. You want some onion. Aha. Okay. Minia Manisa, we are guys so we are heavy power. Umiani afro say. Ata. Na say we are twin, we enter for. Oni penny na kakra. Penny now go to the anya better crowd. That's right. Penny, Mami Musa, we will be our people for Pameboa. Aha, a stomach clinic or Oboadaka. One Casafia, enough to be now many dear. I can now see to come for all the way from a breed. And I'll be stomach clinic again. Gianti and our pediani Fufuo. why they introduce you the can when a choice said you need ha a bopa ma uji tuma they said the ultimate two car now wa ba no ba hwe nkwan wa ha no
say me so me operator
that's right that's right
and be here djuma wa na committee
yeah
to be here no be writing say member
na ade no e fa wa ha AFA de yiye de jije
me be di no e to makoma so pa
na eji wanum na to takrama so
be no am de apart from her
na se nkwan no so ye be man kwan papa that's right fantastic udi fufu a open memremre anasante for de na posim wanum so
mbra mindi
hone ho
one
that's right ten oba number na oje
Maji makrante
me aponche kakra
some of them are
we na nkwan no nso na oje futum France oje akrante sa ano ne futum France no futum France asa na wo boss pa no you say shuffle ano you say futum France nice na me hu say we member so just say waje o heba freak wa fa lawyer fufu de yemfa ni kan ni
yemfa ni kan no fufu eso nyu nu fufu
that's right that's right that's right we ni friend no we heba freak in some way Ghana Fonsa Ghana Fonsa Gihog Distilleries 1958 Ghana ya independent 1957 1958 no Sergeant Wakabin Kuma ABA into where you're the first distillery company here in West Africa. What I say, I don't know how to produce I am from the Three Musketeers, Mandingo, Castle Bridge, and a Heb. Oh, two the name also wanna my member we are enjoy mommy pa. Don't cry. But so we are crying so mama show us fantastic. We are heavy. Minia na Udianga side is saying. We are brutal. Men so made the IBK, the food marshal. That's a women so Israel be dia go kwabna and I'm more for say the Isaac and we are heavy we have Isaac for the anyebe million na buy number na waje awon so fufu ni class ya san oya no mixology aponchin kakra na krantie na aponchin so pe na wele wa na chi na krantie no so na enen kwan ni muti say why na introduce you as a brabedidi e wo stomach clinic na duane bi wa ha oh, Cough Town. I say you a Cough Town nigga. My brother. Cough Town here for side now. Oh, I for the Jumapo. Oh, what for the say? What I say? Now say unya ruamwa. Sushi Jumapo sushi na ke kanko. What I say? We are heavy. We have nan kwan so to say. Be man kwan emu ya kama. Unia friend sa unia so abanum. Ama oshwa asise bema de odi fufu anu kwan ma oshwa asise what you say akwanye unya odi asem beba uri a French ni catch you say na me hu say hey that's how you need to for lawyer and quick that's right medical catch you say fufu de ye mfa ni kan eni ubedi a say wo fa lawyer na wo fa lawyer nso a ye nsa ba ko ena be bie kwan ma na di wa say help Africa gin bitters from Gihog Distilleries. Abjafo, unia French ni catch us say bon appetit. Nobody to say merci. Bon appetit. We a guy. Alright, you go so our stomach clinic. I catch us Oboadaka before back pa gidi our Ghana ni international market. E ba ni fufu there Ghana before any other country. Now be the fufu nso there. E say ko ba bia ye woni tumfa. So ni tumfa. Fufu ni ye woni tum. No what tunifa e woma anywhere draw. Enya mahi and a machine. Right. Now we say Jack Toronto be so set to have brutal power, ni sister be. Hey, Jack be a guy. Na kwa jine help my friend. No what jine daro. And what jine koto be upon jine na no me ade ade ni akante. Onia, many sound. Me you na to say. That's right. Now didn't say.
No not.
E dey bi anu kakana say nkwan no e ko mudodo. Ima oti haya na fu baby na obedidi wa na de wo haya. In some na why not chill say joint bi wa ha a friend no chop by the stomach clinic
Martin the dinner chair our there fountain times
that's right into
follow the chair na dem go pie mo
that's right into first time we did wa ha ni ana say o taiba
several times
what did you how many years in e be do bosumi and a year
4 months
4 months ni If you want it there, Uba so be kan hwe na ekoyi. That's right. Na Uba Ota jingwem na manaje fish anaje ponchi kakra oji akoko na any food in France mixology wake akra o mix it
the bush meat ni adum na meje fra
bibia na dia fra no bre no die isan so wo so ba on sheda nti kwa no nya scared dibi na de kakra sie meboa na de kakra nya me na bia hwe wanum eno na wo ye no nipa nya otwe sister bako de the pesta now they win am no win am to say eh I don't know win am to say na unim na mo repa ana cho na mo re ugo na cho na eti eya na motai enye da bia na motai fufu ofie be wo mo amoba ha fantastic your favorite fufu any number pa na open goat meat how I no kwa unti na kunje nam ni bebre no na goat na ponche ni he na ya open and I said, and nine hono. Yeah, sister, yeah. We are heavy. Intercrantia won your crown. I know the Oku never read. Now, but take a cry. Yeah, my best at the name. That's right. And one don't know. And to force the unfairly kindly, Timobanswa, Utaka Karma for lawyer, Kakanafi, Udia Wono. That's right. He saw you see a Darrow natural mineral water. Heavy, we're heavy. Unia, in Quano, we are Onum Kagra. Onum, Unia be crab. Now, you see, sister, you say, Manum Qua, I had a mamma. Ah, sister, when you are, oh, say a mother. Yadiano son, you been your babyanum. A man who for you do, San Yadiano saw baby. You been your babyano, sister, when you be what we have. Well, no credit back when you be any swat. Did mammy, Jack, we are Saint Jibby goodness. In my person, and I'm going to mean Nicoquanancy. Now we are on them. Onomukwano. Ono my ordain, be my yard amount. Hey, you're ready. So when you know when you're at money on another matter, much and inquire. Medical catch us obedi fufu a eni fufu bra won no nkwan obedi fufu a no nkwan eno ntino se ade menua French ni catch us bon appetit a no akase merci bon appetit abusiafo ban fufu dia per time na fro so ha what you say aha
emu de papa inkrani bidi ya o sing on me papa agranti ya na sadowa akupin sumunam
right, abusiafo. So say ano ye ni eyakofa bai. Opanyin a onu na obie eye stomach clinic choba no. Ye na atnase no. Ye obusa akra ne din ene insamba ko mienu no watini a chechire mu. Agra.
Yes.
Ko die me mo ha.
Ye nua na mpom ti sei.
Boko nana. Nana wadaroma ode mami musa. Udi ankasa di sei.
Median kasa di Alex Ofori McLean.
Alex Ofori McLean.
Ba se se mi di hine.
That's right.
Enti side in the assistant, my nana otukofi. Chidomino otukofi odikan.
O nkonya din eye nana otukofi. Chidomhene. Ewo Oboadaka. Yo. Nana Mami Musa ade be na what inspired say ade na she nkran e ma o kan say obebi etoba.
Mo bedase. Missy Mevisha Mabrabasi, maybe school 1984, Form 4. Maybe school to Kakra. Got Tom Bruni, but Nami was saying, Yamajuma Jimmy Sunday grass. The buyer may be yes, a mayor, but we are very still a moon saying, Yamajumani. And I'm yes, a mayor chop bash, I say, Yamajumania. I'm promising who could write up when I say, Yamajuma, it is a mere, Timisha say, Satam.
But now we will be a union na unibadiane no adeda.
Oh, aduane de me na me to so nine. Nti me ma me adoa. Nti o kire me se na ye aduane pa.
To me abrewa na tina nti o kire won kwan ye.
Papa.
That's right. Nti na utimi ehun se no. Choba no na ye waduma.
Sa pepepe.
Wo share choba ya se mfie do do be se.
What 31
years.
Right.
Wo share safe for
Bichase pakwa me se Bichase dem se me chira wa bebre.
Okay.
Aye wo dan ma kuma be 6 months ebedu ha
sana wo fo be poi
sa da bi
okay
me shase wo kro yi ma
okay but different areas
ana ma be pie
sa de wa asase a be
asase a me transfer de ne me pie ada
na wo ha na afei ade ba ko amese abusa ne se fufuo no eye nwuramu nam no ene den na wo de aduane wa ha
eye nwuramu nam ya ponchi akokɔ na fish
sumnam na mami Musa eye on a normal day o share preparation as a time ben na modwa mo banchi asisu na maye mo nkwan no ne ande nyina na time ben na aduane ready be pese Oboadaka na obedi your stomach clinical breben no do ha obenya aduane bi
ye share dwuma ase be 4:30
ai machi
sa na ma start nkwan ne ade
wa na wo ye nkwan
me na me ye bibia dia metu kwan dia na me baba ko ona me obeye
so wo training
man na me yere nso wo ho ono so be ye ne se na me ye ne pepe
go wa chiro mo recipe ni se na ye okay na
enti abebo 9 o'clock de me ye dua ready
okay afei na me pese me busa bi mu se e ba no ti se wa toso de tomatoes a jene meko ni niema a ye de ye nkwan no usa choba no ba mfemfe bebre no ya na nkofo perception bi so choba de omo kokodi bi omo kodwemu a omo pene ma efu te bi tomatoes a moboye jena asiase no makoto edian na ma wo haye different na obetimi a shenkofo omo ehwe yen nkran se enye sanete
be da ase dia o kana enkware because yan aka se ye ko fa kwa ye yam mako ni ade a ye hu se na profo ye ho nti ye mpese ye be ye bi ya dia ide ye nkwan nyina ye akeka du jene ye yam no bebre jene dasin ko yusu magi nti se jene doso a e ma nkwan ye de pa nti every Monday me yam jene be 5 million.
Wow.
Every Tuesday
500 Ghana cedis.
500 Ghana cedis.
Wow.
Thursday me say yam because na ma nkwan ye de.
Now the spices be the same.
Spices say the big gumbe to sa eno pe
ma apomuden no.
Eno pe ni so. Enti sa flavor na kuko flavor ni ade ototo ma
spices. I did natural
spices
natural
na na use
na mo use. Ba mi hu o meeting ase da ada na mo me no mo de mo si.
Ba cho we dia kan no.
Abodise Association of Ghana mo register. Ansa na mo be fia na mama mo forms. Rollins na ye chairman of film. Afeni ba be chairman na oko wonderful be so na me competition. Ti mo man na support me. Agro na de. Uni ana di say. Ba kwabna me so de kwabna. Ana Jones wo de say. Obe ya mo ye guy. Jan so the wow dada bapa. Akwani wo da o. Yo na ahayi obi busa sa ahayi say ya da bia sa na ya wo ye no. Ofo be poni be didi wa hwe nkwan.
Basa.
Wankasa uni mfufuo ye.
Obede no kware de.
Ba ko pe uni bi da. Ba yo bi ape fufuo. Na odi fufuo nkwan ben pa na o pese o tie de kan. Sa we ni ye de. Akrante bofro no ni aho afra ya na ajeunsa. Obi din se hu cha na wa ni say sa jemensa akwaye guy na na wo ba oje dia protein ben number na oje na akoko na ya toja ni akoko that's right na emoti say wa filia bra na o first time how did you okay o first day how did you na
the first time did you are there I'm saying of course site remaining
what did you how many years
oh actually some if you breed more
and what did you have 5 years 10 years 5 years 5 years enti mu shada tukaba ye we friend wara obeba na say nkwan ni mu ye efie nkwan clinic no eno na ma ye sayare wo ye dispensary wo eno e bako nyina akwa ye member mafili yaw na minu yaw me ba last one so the yaw for no o club akra oh aga ene ene asuru na mpa na ade me koi that's right eno ba ya na also wude fufuo no ya de watimi adi ni kama watimi adi oni ade o se na say as en shada mfasa efu no man jona ene oje de ane de an Oche. Me feel you for example, I say quite not And your friend ADBY. Dear Ben, I say give them to them for one pema. Akwane say, oh, nyabote akwano. I see, he bend the hand and careful pe na deep line before them. Aka nyina ye nwuram ma filia. Oye, na kwano didi ubushi kakra. Onum kakra. Sawa hu. Akwana mpanyin kasam no. Yase nkwan aye den mamberema. That's right. One of your crapim casa na yamede. Hey, come on. This is casa mi ansa na de. O ye crapim casa no you fante. O just say ansa na akaba. Sana tenen brother crapim for the umbe kumio. Muna musia na muse. Enya wonge a wosia. No what the muya sam to atro ka kono. Mianen. Mpacho se. Almost ya pocho na we. No, it's feeling here heavy, feeling here solid one. Nti omo hwe on TV so abrochire omo bagan na no person bi fo a unsa ha no tourist attraction oba hanko a edwe na gidi nti esen ko stomach clinic stomach clinic hey say jai me feel here na 2 days before ha na me feel here nti no obi person di na oba kan chere mo hwe omo pere di
kwani na de Oboadaka.
That's right.
Bawa ya pepia de on sabe abwe bia wo
stomach clinic
abwe bia obushi mo a o dia ehie
na wo me kasa bonwura mu nam a ahe na obetumi abowo yes coffee is tamba ne boy sadriba okay oriata uni mo oriata sana ya oriata osu sai dabi tobo nyabotre maba ho no oriata akrante grass cutter eye uboni nyina onya bi mo ai unia ohene etu odi on kwaso wate nia ne mame nkwa na nan so bi nkwan na madompe mu na oboni se te jena order bibi aboko wonder for dini to Ghana as a wono me pe gentility na ode wo so ade no I use Bismarck na o ba odi fufu ana as a nam nkwan na wani fufu ho fufu small boy and then up protein more do the dishes kenny no fufu banche ketwa bi na kan na protein ko a man kwan nso asa na ban kwan no de den right antino so see there you do a consulting room ha and the engine room of a stomach clinic many general na okuta tankra no e ba betwetwe nkomo minia et say when you so tinia for say kwesi una dada ka ho asem na eze mo na mo boa mo ya de pa kwesi asi o man so ni wa otimi ye bibia mo ya de mo nkoso sasa na ye no to twa invest in so we but still when you fie mo ya de kwesi enenu ende nkwan no awro se na wo
nkwan na nkasa de 4
okay the number na wo ne
nam no fish there ho
okay salmon
akantiene ochi bush meat na nkwan ba
that's right
apart from kusie
that's right
and we aponchi
kusie ni ana
that we say there no ambom
okay
and we akoko
that's right nti hanso yesi akoko no fresh nkwan yesi mo fo fish enye aduane why are there iti wa na ugina tire na uguso kwa champion no agi cash no
cash bag
that's right cash bag na mo ankasa no mo onu anu say mo ya bako wa na obi nso ha wo won say
na ankasa de
da bi mo am na mo duty no
mienu ewo fufuo no
na general nso ha that's right nti da woman person ono abegina ono nso timi ba o bra na person o twa ahoko didi a o man timi ba ana o timi ba je o why there na edian na o start here juma support old man washia bibi wom amo ho se binsa no juma de ye wako invest cry bia na anya ne bebo about bibi apese o ye de na washia wom
okay juma ne de no cry ni nyame anim sɛ dia omo kan sɛ wo wɔ wankasa wo adwuma o ya obi adwuma de mfaso bia ne so sɛ obɛ sɛ start adwuma we no upie ana utu kwan ko bi de obi ye bibi na ekoso na enko ya otu sɛ ade ye ni pe ye
enya sa na ɛsɛ ɔyɛ no
enya sa and I my who say food poisoning and she say we dealing with Niyama Ejiane Sema who said the Albert to Niyama 5 years.
Uncle Fasemum Rubia, fantastic. Into me, a short said, Namma be our crano. What I crack or trophy said, may one your wow baby, your baby.
I am Casa, there's some customer but because
the mechanics like I said, Brunia Juma. Oh, that's right. The dame be a wow, but me be your baby. Me say, when you saw at Tincano.
And they put them in ya.
Your baby. That's right. That's right. Now be so I beba. And more be a more bem. Who be a many first person I'm about. Now my be some kind of promote your man go say. Way a stomach clinic ba and we be into a stomach clinic anes. Jack Oya my papa. Trust sir. What you say? Episode for yeah that's a problem. Yeah that's be brave. Episode for you try who kakra na fe kwamna. Nso makotranse. Na maji wo na mini na fe ma be twan kwan kakra. What you say? Ye try ho bra. I'm sure for Sabre, a woman to me so far. What you say? I be kind of food masha. Jafena, edu samre na mo dwami bruta. It's answer. Me betia shem na ma hwenkwanya fini. Aha, a stomach clinic right here, right now. Mo ba jini sesia. What do you say me there ba ko pedu samre se mi yakode ni go. Fufuo de mfe ni kan ko etino. Mi yakode ni nyina go na ma face fufuo no. One time on a different level. Aha. Me manu nyu Etiabani say now be dia okoto be bia some say omo ma kitchen towel be say oh Ghana pe utukwanko Chinese restaurant now di bia na Italian na your ma bibi e dey say oh say na bia wo bia di bia unso aha yo okoto be musa omo ma kitchen towel afemi be di bia gum peche Larry say God bless them. The farmer, the cooker, and the eater. Very important. Say, edu samria. Makacha say obe di dia for easier and quick digestion. So, very important. Say obe no so a sip or two of water, a boil for digestion. That's something that you have to take serious. This is not thorough, natural mineral water. So, no more the eater. Daro, ebe magic nama. Afe fufu enfe ni kan ni nsamba akope. Udu choba abuza so mo help Afri gin bitters. Wey I from Distillery. That too easy. You go didi. That's right. Father bless this food. I call them mama hode. Omo mani abring wo fie nyina. Amuni omulemu. And then me corner cranty. Our cranty, grass cutter. Shami Tilma and Quanya. When you in Quanimu, you bitter. I can't tell. That's right. And a salmon. With your stomach clinic. I have you Oboadaka. No man can pa. Man can chow. I can do it 20 at the bottom. Into a journey. When I'm the market. The market. Oh, yeah, nice. Fantini said, oh, yeah, fine. Oh, yeah, fine. Oh, yeah, nice. It tastes good. Everybody. Stomach clinic. In some pretty room. I can't tell. Yeah. Cry your own cry. Paddle your own canoe. Elephant you, elephant me. When you bring me qua. You are the enemy here. I'm going to go on that note. Son of the piano. You're back for. Now, me. na quality. What you say? Wow. Same time next week, different location. What you say? Jack.
Aha ne bosso, fufuo wo krom. Aha ne bosso, fufuo wo krom. Fufu ai, obiara bi fufu ai. Achem fufu kwa ufu ekuya pem fo bi se obiara bi fufu ai. Ye pe fufu ai, asante fu pe fufu ai. No fufu Ghana mang na mi se.
Fufuo Wo Krom is sponsored by Help Afrique from Ghanaian Distilleries, Daro Natural Mineral Water, and Abiba Thai Jasmine Rice.